Okay, so today we're going to cook a paella. This is one of our new dishes at Cosmo Restaurant. We're going with our bomba paella rice, imported from Spain. And we're going with some Spanish extra virgin olive oil. This is a sofrito. So sofrito is a tomato-based sauce we use in our paella. And it's made up of onions, garlic, capsicum, some squid, and we cook it down slowly. And we let the rice and everything just come together. Make it dance a little bit on the stove. Okay, so sofrito is our main base flavor for the paella. We've got saffron, paprika. Okay, so let it dance on there a minute. And then to that we're going to add a piccata. This is not classic in a seafood paella, but it's basically roasted almonds, parsley, and roasted hazelnut. Adds a nice umami nuttiness to the dish. And then we're going to go, so basically we add 2 spoons of rice, and we're going to go in with 5 spoons and then we're going to go in with 5 ladles of stock. To one side, give it a little shake, let the rice and the stock balance out. We're going to simmer that then for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Gets the rice started cooking. A very, very important part of this when we're going through the paella. Paella is quite a quick dish to cook, but it's about the mise en place beforehand. So we've got a really good fish and prawn stock, and 80% of the seasonings in the stock, the sofrito and the piccata. So they're 3 very, very important elements in your paella. We're just going to simmer that nice and slowly. And then when 4 minutes pass, we're going to place the local tiger prawns, the white clams and the mussels into this, and we're going to pop it in the oven for about 14 minutes. We keep turning the pan as we cook it so it'll cook evenly everywhere. You can see this area is simmering, this one slow. So we keep turning the pan so it cooks evenly. I tend to cook it, turn every about 30 seconds. Keep tasting as you're going through to build layers of flavour. You can't season at the start or all at the end. You've got to add it in layers. And as your stock comes down, it's going to concentrate, so it becomes more salty. So 80% of your seasoning's in your base, and the last 20% comes in the reduction. So then we're going to add our local tiger prawns, just on the top. We've got some steamed clams. Just arrange it all nicely on top. We've got some Australian mussels that we've steamed a little bit. Just pop them on top. Like that. And then we're going to put that in the oven at 180 degrees. Just put a dash more stock in. And it goes into the oven for about 14 minutes. So one of the most important things about a good paella is a really, really good rice. And here at the Naihan we import bomba rice from Spain. It's a special rounded grain rice, especially for paella. Okay, so that's been in the oven for about 14 minutes. We take it out. We just taste a little bit of the rice. That's cooked, it's beautiful, it's ready. And we're just going to finish it with a little bit of chopped parsley just for colour. There we go. Our seafood paella here at the Naihan.